Okay, as you can see, I am in Sturgis right now, and I attended some live streams today, and they did not work out well. The last one, it worked. I used a different camera, and just for some reason, no reason whatsoever, while it was in Sturgis here, after I got here, it just stopped. And I don't know why. I tried to get this started again, and I wasn't able to. But anyways, I'm here in town now, walking around, and so I was kind of playing it by ear now, and see if I get a video put together here. I just stopped in at Gas Monkey Sturgis there, and to see if what they had to eat, and all they have during the rally is only pizza, and I was hoping for like a grilled chicken sandwich or a hamburger or something, you know, something other than a pizza. And the pizza they had was only like the whole pizza, not just a slice or anything. So, all right, so I'm not going to be eating there this year. I'll have to eat there at a time when it's not the rally. So I'm going to take a walk around and see maybe we can find someplace else. All right, I found a place to eat here. I'm at the Knuckle, and I already ordered a Pepsi, and I ordered, I got chopped pork on one side, and the side, yeah, I got the chopped pork on one side, and the side I got is the French fries. They don't have it listed, but it is an option, so that's why we're going to have the chopped pork sandwich and French fries, and of course I got my pop, so there you go, my first time eating at the Knuckle. Yeah, and there it is, my chopped pork sandwich and my fries and the pop here at the Knuckle. I'll probably put some of that on, but there we go. And that was $17, and of course I'll be leaving a tip, I suppose. So I'm going to take and enjoy this and talk to you later. There we go. It's my first time eating at the Knuckle. It's pretty darn good too. But I think I'm gonna take and head back to camp now and take it easy the rest of the night. But we'll take one last look around Lozelle. Alright, well, I'm back at camp now. Just got back from Sturgis in town there, and so I was going to wrap up this video. And first, the live streams today, it was so-so. The first, it didn't start all good. The audio I didn't work, and then I switched over to a different camera, my older camera, the Hero 7 instead of the 8. And the audio worked. Then when I got to Sturgis, when I was on Main Street there, at some point it just suddenly, the stream ended, and I was not able to get it back up again. But anyways, maybe tomorrow will be a better day, and I'll be making a video tomorrow too. So anyways, that was really good eating at the Knuckle Saloon for the very first time. I was over at that, like what they call it, the beer and barbecues, or the brew and barbecues section. That's where I ate at. But anyways, that was at the Knuckle, and it was really good. So once again, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.